I'm married.
Yeah. You are still married?
Yeah, I'm still married because in Philippines don't have divorce.
I know the
But,
Philippine don't have.
separated.
That's all, separate only. Huh?
Separate only.
That's all. You want separate, you separate, right? I know.
But divorce don't have.
Then you want to have another person, it's no problem, right? Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah, it's different.
But cannot married.
Oh, cannot.
If I have AFAM, white man then can pay 200K pesos to file the divorce. Can.
Oh.
Yeah, I found AFAM first, the white man.
Yeah, you need to find somebody.
But I found the Indian. The black.
Black, the guy, but it's okay lah. If it's okay, it's okay. You want to get married, it's okay. So right. But if you don't like play only,
I don't want play.
yeah, get married lah. You just tell the guy only, yeah. If you really serious,
Because my pocket is not
if you serious, it's okay.
Yeah, serious lah. I want serious. No play.
Get married lah. Yeah.
But cannot be married.
But sometimes the Christian, they are not. It's not easy. Sometimes they're right. There are certain things they cannot. I know.
Marites mi kuya guys. Nice ka kung po ano, wala ko princess. But my husband have already family.
Oh, it's like that lah. Usually, yeah. Same as liberty lah. Same all.
Yeah, same the liberty
like
right?
Even I think what do you call? Your friend I think already have family already. I think what do you call? Vanessa already have, I think, right?
Yeah, she have.
She have already. All
Yeah.
like that. It's common. Common already. What to do? It's like that.
Yeah, what to do? Ito na ko.
But Chinese cannot. Chinese not easy to separate.
But why?
It's like that. Cannot. It's, divorce very difficult. Yeah, I mean you don't want to this one. That's why a lot of Chinese they take another person. They don't want to.
I have boss before he's Chinese.
Yeah.
Then they married. Then after because the morning because the husband have the house is big lah.
Yeah.
But the wife she don't want to stay the husband
actually,
house
they don't
because she's shy like that.
Yeah,
She
yeah.
only come there visit then go back to mother house. But they are husband and wife.
Yeah. It's
Then
like that.
then after the husband tell you stay here because we have
Ah.
room like this. She don't want because she's shy the
Right.
father. She's shy to the father. Then after because cannot be understand what is that. Then after they separate because the husband tell if you don't want to stay here in my house. The wife also tell, if you want me, you go in my mother house. The husband don't want because the wife she's not rich lah. She's in the level lah.
Oh, yeah.
The husband don't want. Then like that, so they are separate. Then after my boss is married again, Chinese again.
Okay. Yeah.
But they don't have children.
They don't have like Chinese is very, very simple.
They don't have children because the girl she also old na.
Yeah, what for?
Something
She doesn't-
50s
not-
like that.
Usually don't have. Chinese like that. Yeah. But sometimes they have also, but what's the use? Yeah. No, you don't have what for.
This is guys no. Ako nang ako ang boss before. It's boss. early maritisan kami ni Kuya. You see, Kuya, this one is nice, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm looking like princess.
Yeah, princess. Yeah. But if you want to look like that, you wear a you know
hijab.
the one like the crown
The crown.
that one you look like okay lah. But that one everybody look at you. Yeah. Yeah.
Ako kachismisan, guys. Tingnan niyo. Kadulong na siya maligo. Tapos, ako chismis kay para ano, hindi siya matulog. You want, we're walking outside? We go the park?
Wait, I need to mandi first.
You Monday first. Later la, afternoon, we go jogging the park.
Yeah, yeah.